If you're looking to prepare for your Journeyman Heavy Duty exam, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll break down exactly what you need to know to confidently pass your exam and advance your career. First things first, what does the Journeyman Heavy Duty exam test? It's designed to assess your knowledge and skills as a mechanic, specifically when it comes to heavy-duty equipment. Expect to be tested on everything from diagnosing complex engine issues to maintaining large machinery systems. One of the key areas of focus in the exam will be vehicle systems. You'll need to demonstrate your understanding of heavy-duty trucks, engines, transmission systems, brakes, and hydraulics. You might be asked to troubleshoot common issues and figure out how to fix them in a real-world scenario. The safety section is another critical component. As a heavy-duty mechanic, safety is paramount, and this part of the exam ensures you know how to work safely with machinery. You'll need to know how to use the right equipment, follow safety procedures, and protect yourself and others on the job site. Mathematics is another key skill tested in the Journeyman Heavy Duty exam. You'll need to calculate things like torque, weight distribution, and gear ratios. While these aren't complex equations, you'll need to apply these basic math skills in a practical context, so be prepared to work through some problems. Here's the thing. Real-world applications are what this exam is all about. The questions you'll encounter aren't theoretical. They reflect the types of problems you'll face on the job. Think about what you would do in a real-work situation and apply that to your answers. So how can you prepare? The best way to prepare for the Journeyman Heavy Duty exam is with consistent study and practice. Try using journeymanstudyguide.com to access Q&A books, explanation-style resources, and online timed practice tests. The more you practice, the more confident you'll feel on exam day. While no study guide guarantees a perfect score, using the right tools can significantly improve your chances of success. After you pass the Journeyman Heavy Duty exam, you'll unlock more career opportunities and higher paying roles. Certified heavy-duty mechanics are in high demand nationwide, and this certification makes you more competitive. Passing the exam also shows professionalism and commitment to the trade. So stay consistent, trust the process, and with the right mindset and support from journeymanstudyguide.com, you'll be ready to take on the exam with confidence. Good luck.